friends, welcome back to Food Prep Guide. Tonight is another super easy meal. It's the weekend, so that means quick and easy around here. This is our homemade hamburger helper. Hamburger helper could not be any easier to make homemade, and you get to decide exactly what goes in it and use all ingredients that you can pronounce. So I keep my hamburger helper mixture on hand. This is something that I batch prep on our big meal prep day that we do once every about 2 months. I always make sure I have a full jar of it, and I have the recipe right on top of the jar, so I can just, when it's hamburger helper night, I can just grab this jar and I know what I need. So if you are using fresh beef for this, you would just go ahead and brown up a pan of beef first, but we are using dehydrated ground venison, and we have a recipe that we use that in, I think it was chili, and I can link that above because I show you how to rehydrate the meat, but that is if you remember several hours ahead of time. Today I did not remember, but that's okay because there's another way you can rehydrate dehydrated meat really quickly, and that's with just putting on a pot of boiling water, and as soon as it comes to a boil, turn the heat off, remove the pot from the heat, and pour in your meat. I like to pour in some Worcestershire sauce as well because it kind of works as a marinade as it rehydrates and just gives it a little bit extra flavor. I did that about an hour ago, and it's been soaking in that water. I just drained it, and the ground venison is perfectly rehydrated and ready to go. So I'm just going to pour that into my pot. I've already got the heat on low medium. And to that we add our seasonings, which is what our hamburger helper blend is. We add 2.5 tablespoons of that seasoning. I will type this seasoning mix up and link it in the description box below. I'm going to go ahead and do 3 tablespoons. And to that we're adding 1 cup water and 2 cups of milk. Now we just add our macaroni noodles or any noodles that you want. I need to add 1.5 cups of that. Since we store all of our grains in bulk and we prevent pests with diatomaceous earth, I just need to take my pasta and rinse all that powder off, which I've already done here. So this is 1.5 cups of elbow macaroni noodles. And now it's just a matter of bringing it up to a boil. And once it comes up to a boil, I'm going to put the lid on, lower it to a simmer, and cook it for 20-ish minutes, and that's just for the pasta to cook up. That's it. You know, with hamburger helper, there's all sorts of flavor variations in the store, and you can recreate that at home yourself using whatever kind of toppings that you want. I know one of the popular flavors is like a bacon cheeseburger, and that's just throwing bacon bits at the end. I think there's a ranch one, and that's squirting a little bit of ranch at the end. We like to toss in onions and sweet bell peppers, and if we want more of a taco type hamburger helper, then I'll sprinkle in a little bit of taco seasoning and we'll top it with sour cream and cheese. There's just so many ways that you can customize this to make it exactly what your family likes. But bring it up to a boil, put the lid on, lower it to a simmer, cook it for 20 minutes, and it's done. That's it. So easy. What was that? Less than 5 minutes prep time? I'll be back and show you the finished product in just a little bit. Okay, our 20 minutes are up, so let's see the finished product. Looks very similar to the hamburger helper kit you would get at the store, and just as easy to make. Get the camera to refocus. There we go. At this point, you can mix in, you can top it with whatever you like, some fresh tomatoes, shredded cheese, sour cream, sliced avocado, fresh cilantro. I mean, the possibilities are endless. You could even swap out the ground beef for shredded chicken and squirt in some ranch at the end if you like chicken ranch. If you like chicken bacon ranch, you could do the same thing and just add bacon bits. I mean, this is such an easy meal to customize with that one seasoning mix. I hope y'all enjoy. I hope y'all give it a try. It's a lot better, healthier than store-bought, and you're saving a lot of money too. Okay guys, hope y'all enjoy. Bye.